great way to mitigate the spread of germs and other contaminants is by harnessing the power of a UVC germicidal light fixture. UVC devices come in a variety of forms, including a convenient overhead door barrier like our IND DBL 361L R1 120V and IND DBL 241L R1 120V models. These door barriers offer hospital-grade hands-free disinfection when placed in a doorway. The UVC fixtures project a concentrated beam of UVC light into the doorway from above and onto the person walking through, providing brief exposure for an added layer of germ killing. Several door units can be mounted together to cover larger doorways. These doorway units come equipped with a 30-watt UVC germicidal fluorescent lamp that offers over 8,000 hours of lamp life. These devices are ideal for hospitals, clinics, laboratories, clean rooms, and other places where potential contaminants may be and where there's a lot of foot traffic. Walking through the UVC light produced by this fixture is completely safe because the short time it takes to walk through the light does not expose people to harmful levels of radiation. This hospital-grade stainless steel door barrier germicidal fixture features a 30-watt bulb that produces UV output at a wavelength of 254 nanometers. To check out our complete selection of UV sanitation and disinfection products, visit Larson Electronics today. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.